Hey, it's your boy Scarecrow. We going over here to the All Black Affair and see what's happening. You know what I'm saying? I got my nigga Slick Chris. You know what I'm saying? This flight game, Swag Factory Entertainment. I'm gonna show you bitches what's happening.
Pyramid
you know
City,
what I'm saying? Pyramid City and flight
RB,
game.
40
You know what I'm
Rob,
saying? That's how we do it. You know what I'm talking about?
40
This
Rob,
shit real.
upper level, upper dick, baby,
Yep.
like baseball. You know what I'm saying? We're in the upper dick, man.
You already know. Shit. That's how we do.
We done dropped one big bottle of vodka. It's nothing, though. It's nothing. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing.
Yeah.
Oh. Looking good, looking real good. It's a real good look, baby. Real good look. How you doing, sir? Everything all right? Yeah.
Must be not. He's stoned. He probably on some Jack Daniels.
You don't like me.
Fuck him.
You don't like it, we done took over.
You don't like the Negroes.
Fuck him.
Obama.
Fuck him. Obama Nation. Obama Nation, baby. Yeah, it feel good outside. It feel good the motherfucker out here.
Hey, get a picture of that shit. That shit there.
Lovely.
You know what I'm saying? This how we do it right here. Where you park at? Where you go?
We're going to follow you. We're going to follow up.
Scarecrow, a.k.a. Nature Boy.
You already know. This how we doing it. You know what I'm
Flight
saying?
game entertainment, baby.
Kind of cool out here, but this how we do it. You know what I'm saying? That Swag Factory coming to you. You know what I'm saying? All your gear, all your urban gear and shit, go online, www.swagfactory.com. Swag Factory Entertainment coming soon. You know how we do it.
Yeah, we in this motherfucker.